for a minute and go. Always dragging my bones and putting all of my coins alright. Hold on, it's a second to fall, but takes a lifetime to go up. Don't you look out the